the blood of the big bird and the ostrich. Thus, the revenge of the ostrich. Remember how Big Bird and Ostrich were besties? But then the ostrich died. Big Bird was looking at all the ostrich's eggs and was taking care of them until he turned them into omelets. And little did we know that was not the end, because the ostrich was mad, so he decided to turn into a zombie so he can take his revenge.
Meanwhile, turns out PBS Kids is a scam, and it's a scam.
Like what? Because Sesame Street is a gag.
To deal with weed and guns and party.
With a red little monster as it's littered.
So Ronaldo tries to invade the party.
With this ostrich I may.
So he crashes the party and shows up with guns, and everybody will be like, what? Duh. And Big Bird says, yo, Ronaldo, I thought you were dead.
I'm a zombie, you dumb bot. And why you kill me with... I know you planned the attack with the alligator. I mean, I thought we were friends, dude.
I have uno reason. Ostrich egg, yummy.
And that's why I have come for you.
But then
The aliens have come to invade the party. Ah! And they kill all the people. Ah! Now the Sesame Street and the Ostrich Army is dead.
Before dying, Ronaldo asks the aliens, but why aliens, why? And the aliens respond, because we like drinking ostrich and Sesame Street blood because we are half vampires. And the aliens live happily ever after, singing.
Oh, in my way, oh, in my way, oh, in my way, oh, in my way.